Hi guys, we're here with Lawrence today. So Lawrence, to get you just tell us a bit about yourself, your background in sports, and yeah, we can go from there.
Oh, great. Well, my name is Lawrence played football since I was younger, and then obviously that then took me on to representing Western Australia in all different levels, in all elite levels, and then that got me on to then be part of Perth Glory setup. So I was a Glory for some time, since I was young, all the way through, and obviously due to the contract issues and things like that, and then I stepped out to go play in Asia. So I went to Asia for 2 years, and then after that I left there, started coming back to Perth, trying to figure other ways out, and then played in Melbourne, Tasmania for a bit as well, and then came back to Perth here now. So what else?
Yeah, so that's a bit about, obviously you play pretty elite soccer. Yeah. So what do you do sort of day to day in terms of, you got a business that you're sort of starting to run now as well?
Yeah, so basically I run a football academy called Football Method International. Yeah. And a part of the academy is all mentoring young players to achieve at elite level of performance in soccer specifically. And then also I'm turning my passion of the knowledge and everything that I've learned to now mentoring and personal development. Yeah. So I go into schools and deliver talks. I tell my story of how I struggled with life and to where I'm at now. So to sort of share what I've gone through to get what I want to get, which is, you know, you have your stories as well, opening a place like this. So yeah, that's mostly a motivational speaker at the moment.
How young are the kids that you have in the academy? Or from what age?
So we go from 3 all the way to 13.
From 3?
Yeah, from 3. So we run different programs that we got going on. Yeah. And then we also do a lot of community stuff as well, that we get involved. And then we go into the mentoring phase where the kids are actually a lot older, so from 15 to like 21, 23s. So these are the guys that are already playing, like NPO for example, that are playing for a professional club, both in Asia, in Australia, and Africa also. Okay, so it's good.
Cool. That's very cool. So obviously, just from playing soccer for years, you get pretty rashed up. So in terms of what you're feeling at the moment, what are some of the issues that you're getting with your body?
I think playing in Asia was a bit different, because then the treatment you get over there, you know, obviously coming down here every now and then, stepping in and visiting you and stuff like that, it's a different story, getting the alignments done. You sometimes don't know what your body, you know, the things that you need to fix in order to get the result that you want to get. So I sort of didn't understand that for a bit, you know, I had lower back pains, which I had that going on for a bit. A weak hamstring, because I remember coming and getting some adjustment, then finding the strength in the hip flexors, for example. So yeah, there's always something there
going on, but it can change.
Yeah, it can change all the time. So I just deal with the situation and try to visit the right people to help me out. So.
Awesome. That's why we're here. So, okay, man, so what we'll do, because it has been a while since we've seen, so we'll do basically some testing, sort of get a feel for where you're at this point in time, and we'll integrate some adjustments and go from there, okay?
Sure, man.
Very good, man. He's ready. All right, so we'll get you sitting, facing that way. So that one. Yeah, a bit in there. Any pain through there? Or any, even a bit of mild discomfort? A bit of stiffness. Yeah. To the left all the way? Any pain through there?
No.
Cool. And that's okay?
Yeah, stiff to the end.
Okay. Alright, so what we'll do, I'll get your arms together. Like that, yep. And keep them there. I'm going to try and keep them together. I'm going to try and separate, okay? So resist. Yeah, not much there, okay. Right shoulder like this.
Yeah.
Nice and strong and looking straight ahead. I'm going to push to resist that. Okay, this one here. Resist. Right, okay. Alright, so what we'll do, get that right arm like this. And resist. Yeah, it's not firing right. And this one here. Okay, and just internally rotate through there. No pain through there?
No.
Okay. This one, I'll get you internally rotate there. Yeah. Just failing on both of those tests there. So, little finger thumb. Little finger.
A little, yeah.
Yeah, nice and strong. Keep that together, don't let me separate. Yeah. So you can just tell that whole right side's shot. Left side's pretty good, but the right side's just not firing properly. All right, man. So what we'll do, I'll get you on your back for me, thank you, and sitting. So on your back, yep. So facing that way, from about there, yep, and staying about there. Right through between the shoulder blades is pretty jacked up there. A bit down there a little more. Right place. Outside. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll get your hands on your legs. Anything to lock them? Yep. Okay, so I'm to lock them like that. Do through here. Okay, so get you laying, start to go back, start to go back, start to go back. Good. And this one just breathing in and out all the way. Ooh, shit. You right with that one?
Yeah, man.
That's a good one. Alright, mate, so I'll get you here. So that's just releasing through your upper back through there, because that area is pretty tight. You can sort of feel like release a couple of segments of there. Alright, so we'll get you on your back, so face up. As you want to. Yeah. Okay. So feel like so, done this one here before. Got a little present there.
Oh man, I've seen that one. That's crazy, bro.
And head up.
It's like parting your neck off your body or something.
What? A party with your neck.
Fuck it up, mate.
It's a party, alright? Chin up.
No, don't.
Chin up, alright?
Alright, let's go. You at least give me like a warning or something?
Okay, here's your warning.
Hey man, don't take me to where I don't want to be. Alright.
Okay, chin up. Right, to do this one, just keep relaxed all the way. I'm just going to go like this and then come down, okay?
Yeah.
So you come about 10 centimeters down, just like that. And
Oh! Shit, bro, it's heavy. Oh. Damn. Yeah, alright, let's go.
That's okay?
Yeah. Ah. Whew.
Right.
Yeah, man. The hair left now.
Sorry?
You
You do a white strap, you never fuck with a man's hair. That's a sin.
Stiff top, man.
Okay.
It's crazy.
You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get you on your back and we'll look at the other ones.
So does it get like a stiff neck here? And
Through
the whole
that?
back, yeah.
Yeah, because if things are jammed up, when it releases, it doesn't always give necessarily like immediate relief.
Yeah.
Often it does.
Yeah.
Some people, because things are so jammed up and there's a restriction, it can be still a bit sore for a bit because you're just sort of moving and decompressing. Yeah, it's like with not all like adjustments will always give people like immediate relief. Sometimes they can get a bit of soreness for a day or so, and then it starts to like settle in a bit better. Yeah.
Okay.
Just like that. It's okay?
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. Let's just stretch that one all the way. It's okay? Just stretch it out. Okay. Alright.
Oh.
You alright?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
It's not the normal shit we usually do.
Breathe in. And out. There we go. Come on. Arms up. Here? Yep. It looked like that to fall asleep.
Yeah, bro. I fall asleep.
Because it is like that wire strap and any adjustment in the upper neck, because there's the most amount of receptors in the body are up there.
Yeah.
So when that's been, because it's been quite a while, since it's been probably over a year since you got adjusted. So because things have built up and you've had surgery since then, when that gets released, it has quite a real powerful effect for there.
That's it.
Oh, this one, what we're doing, arms like this, like you're doing an overhead press. And go, and down. More like this. Go. Like you're doing pressing at the gym.
Okay.
Like that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and up. And down.
Oh.
And up. And down. And up.
Oh.
And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. Okay. Just relax both sides. Yeah. And breathing in. And out. And breathe in. And breathe in. And breathe in. A couple through there. Okay. So this one will be sitting up facing the wall.
Yep. Damn, I'm feeling dizzy, bro.
You right?
Yeah.
Just breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. And breathe in. And out. Okay. So this one, just breathe in and hold. So breathe in, hold. There we go. Cool. And breathe in. Good. And out. And breathe in. And out. Cool. Right, and I'll get you on your back again for me.
Yep.
So, you're just sort of feeling how because the ribs are attached to the sternum.
Yep.
So most of yours are moving alright. There was just one around about that third rib there that was just a bit stuck.
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
It's been a while since you had a gun pull on.
Yeah, no, it's good, man. I need this.
Okay, so let that one go. So it's your right knee that you have
The one there, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the surgery one.
Yeah. Okay. Just relaxing through there. So when did you get that done?
12th of May last year.
Last year, yeah. And you've just returned to running.
Yeah, just running now and building the muscle back.
You're doing some training, weight training as well?
Yeah, have to get the muscles back, man.
Yeah. So what sort of exercises are you doing? Program at the moment?
Yeah, a lot of like, let's say, just legs most of the time, just building the balance back in.
You're doing a lot of body weight stuff, or are you doing more machine?
Not body,
Forwards.
not upper body and stuff like that.
Yeah.
No. So mostly just the rehab sort of things.
Yeah.
So I can start running hamstring a bit, because you lose a lot of muscles when you
Oh,
when you go through.
You have a
Yeah,
lot
so
of,
especially on this one.
yeah.
So
You can even see your left quad's chunkier than your right.
Yeah.
You got some atrophy through that side secondary to like the
So-
surgery. Yeah.
yeah, so this gotta so my right leg have to catch up. Yeah,
Yeah.
catch up to the left. So it's good. Oh.
And out all the way.
Oh.
Breathe in and out. And in.
That's so, man.
Yeah. So this is your hip flexors. So these are pretty shortened and
Yeah.
overactive.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
Alright, we'll go on your tummy for me, thanks mate. So we'll go face down.
I heard on the press, yeah.
What was that?
Hurts on the
Through the hip flexors?
Yeah.
That one sucks. Even if they're, because most people up here top, particularly
Yeah.
background in soccer and
Yeah,
having
yeah.
surgery, biomechanically things will be a bit off.
Yeah.
So they're just really overactive. So
Yeah.
like even like a little bit of pressure, they'll be pretty sore. So that's just a way of sort of like lengthening them.
Yeah. Need to take this.
That's right. That's right.
Yeah, it is as well.
Same thing like this right QL muscle, the main muscle here is really overactive, and it's obviously the same side that you have that surgery.
Yeah.
So normally you'll have to do a lot more work. So you'll find generally whatever side, if you've got like an ankle or knee or hip issue on that same, whatever side it's on, that same, the same muscle on the same side will always generally get affected. Oh, that right leg up and down.
Yep.
And down. And up. And down. And up. And down. Oh. Let's put some of this spray on it, okay? This is just like a cryo spray, so this will. This will just help with a bit of that inflammation going on. And you're saying your right hammy?
Yeah, so I just got to build that up. It's less muscle mass on it.
Yeah.
Because can't sprint now, so less speed now.
Oh. Like fibrous tissue in here.
Yeah, because they took some muscle. They took some
We'll get you on your side. We'll do both sides, so facing me this way.
Yep.
Hand here on top. Let's just do like a glute release there. This will suck it. Right.
I hate glutes release, bro. Oh. Yeah, man, I don't remember the last time I did.
It's been a while.
It's tight, huh?
Yeah. Okay. So this one here, just let this relax.
Let it loose?
Yeah.
Oh no, just keep it here.
Yeah. I'll do the work. Oh. Yeah, I'll start.
You're getting all this power from, right? Huh?
Might have been training.
Yeah. Alright.
I've been doing that thickness training. I'm getting ready.
It's full on.
Why you been hiding? I've been training.
Don't worry, I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
You coming back?
Yeah.
Look, the body fat's not great, but besides. There we go. Awesome. On your back again for your next now. We're going to test that right leg. So just putting it up.
Yep.
And pushing as strong as you can. Push. Is that fun? Very good. Hands sitting up facing the wall. That way. Okay, still releasing here. This will help that one. We get this one sucks a bit. Oh. Yeah. Now that first test we did, how you couldn't keep your hands together.
Yeah.
Now it's a little muscle here called the subclavius. When that's not functioning properly, it sort of affects your ability to have good overhead control. Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
This shit ain't fun.
Hey, up next, boy.
I'll be recording if you want.
Yeah. Like I'll never come back again. And overhead press.
I'm coming back, bro.
2024. There we go. Really.
No,
You need to get over the trauma. Okay. Try and keep that up a bit more as well. Alright. To the left all the way.
Yeah.
To the right all the way. Good. Cool. And so arms above your head. Form a fist. Same thing together.
Yeah.
Strong. Okay, this one's a bit over here. Still.
Oh.
Okay. Alright, and again. Release. Arms above your head. Form a fist. Strong. Very good. Good. Right arm. Other arm. Yeah, push. Good. And internally rotate.
Don't know which one's the right.
Good. Yeah. It's the right or the other right?
Which one?
And little finger thumb, just to the right side. Yep, little finger.
Little finger.
Yeah, little finger. Yep, strong.
Yeah.
Good. But open it up so I can get it.
Yeah.
Let me get it. Strong?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Awesome.
Beast mode.
That's it. Beast mode. So, One of those things is particularly like as you're looking to develop more strength, obviously what we're dealing with is just getting the nerve pathways working better, and obviously had issues, top to bottom, because obviously you had gone through a lot. But particularly that lower back adjustment, that subluxation that we cleared, at least that will start getting those pathways firing better to the right. So you can do all that rehab work, and that's great. But doing like obviously integrating some of this occasionally will get everything firing. So at least you start to build the muscle up better.
Ah, it's good, man. It's good.
Survive.
We're helping
you very well.
Awesome. Full power.